This workshop build is a very slow process. Today I will be cleaning the floor so I can throw some paint over it. I had to chip away a lot of the cement that was starting to peel, because if I don't do that now, it's gonna continue peeling. Nice hot day. I got my bike out, so we're all getting a little bit of a vitamin D. Power up. Let's continue on. Gotta stay hydrated. Yeah, I gotta down me some. I bought this new flavored watermelon. Now we got this area we gotta clean up. I already rolled all that plastic sheet that was laid out here. I'm gonna have to move the soil to the back. All right, I need another one. No, they're not my sponsor, but it is sponsor. No, not mine, but sponsor. All right, let's see. And this is what I got. A whole lot of chopping, breaking things down. I got the chicken wire out. This one left. And when you're in there, you gotta watch out for these centipedes, man. They're huge, especially if you haven't been here for years. Big deliveries. Don't get up. Bringing the stuff down. We are done. We're sending him home. And they're out of here. Let's see what we got. Cement, pebbles, sand, 200 of the very light brick wall for the cement, for the ceiling. It's time, 15 years. It's part of maintenance. So we got 3 holes dug. We're gonna tear it all down. And then once we get the foundation in, we should be able to put the walls up. Got the plate on this corner, and they got the foundation over here done. 2 windows here, be 1 window here, 2 window there. We got the post up for the front door. The back wall is up. We just still need a roofing. Side wall here with the window. Nice big window. Here we go. We got the foundation going in. Look at this. Luckily, the garage port didn't burn down or anyone gets shocked by it. I'm glad I saw that from the inside. Well, so how's the build going? I would say pretty good. I would have to say at first I was going to do this by myself, and then later on I said, you know what, a little bit more, let the guys do it. They're professional, and I don't have to redo it, because doing it is not as hard as redoing it. So these guys are doing a great job. I like the shadow. That wall up, the window up, and tomorrow we're going to be plastering the whole wall. So that's the plan for tomorrow. And the race is on. Yeah, man, let's see how much we could get done today, man. It's looking like a room now. Yeah, this is like a bedroom, but no, this is a carport. Finally, 15 years in the making. Okay, not really. Just saving up for a few years for this. Look at that. Look like, yeah. That's an old drainage. And when they built the new house, our house, they just connected to that. So right now it's leaking. Then all the dirt get in there, then it gets clogged up, and that explains yesterday's problem. I was blowing water, air through that hole, and I was getting a lot of sand. And I just couldn't figure it out. At least we found the problem. We're going to try to get the ceiling done today. Dude, look at that sky. That done. And this side is also poured. The whole room is pretty much ready except lighting and a little bit more plastering here and the door. All right, we still got a lot of work. The awning is straight, but our original garage is tilted, and she's also doing a great job here. This Sunday will be 1 month and we're not done. So what does that mean? Well, this means we're not done. I like this old school tuk-tuk. Today is window day. Bam! We're looking nice and bright. Boy, what a perfect day to see if there's any leak so far. Just our tree fell down. A little slope going down there, so it's good. No leak so far. Ooh, ป๋าครับ นิดหน่อย This side looks good. So we got one leak over here. I did put up the curtains. Those are blackout curtains, which is nice. So I could get total privacy in here. It's all going to have to go out or back in to that shop. It looks like it's just made for that spot. After fiddling around, I figured, you know what, stash everything to this side, and then I could put my other toolbox, which has a welding table, a vise on this side, and I have more area to work. The entrance right here, and my main front entrance here. As you can see, I got my tank there. I got good air circulation back here. And of course, you gotta have a nice bright lights. Check that out. Let me just go get that big old toolbox I'm kind of dreading. I have 2 more shelvings. Getting a lot of space back for my wife. Give her house back. All right, let's clean this thing out and line it so I could push it down. All right, normally I get help, but this time I had no help. So I had to get smart. I almost had to remove the vise, but it was just light enough for me to single-handedly drop it from there to here. I don't have much in these drawers, but these drawers do add up. There it is. I think this is home.